Hello everyone, today I will show you 10 things we need to do after installing Arch Linux, which I installed last time. Before moving on to the video, please like the video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Let's move on to the video. Install basic software. Web browser, multimedia, code editor, and Office programs, examples of these. Web browser, Brave. Brave browser is a fast web browser that focuses on user privacy. It automatically blocks unwanted ads and trackers, which helps pages load faster and keeps your data safer. Multimedia VLC. VLC, or VLC Media Player, is a free and open-source multimedia player and framework developed by the VideoLAN project. Code editor VS Code. Code, OSS, or Code Open Source Software, refers to the open-source version of Microsoft's Visual Studio. It's essentially the same codebase that powers VS Code, but without the proprietary features and branding. LibreOffice for Office programs. LibreOffice is a free and open-source Office suite that includes a range of productivity applications. It is developed by the Document Foundation and serves as a powerful alternative to proprietary Office suites like Microsoft Office. Key components of LibreOffice include Writer, a word processor for creating and editing documents. Calc, a spreadsheet application for data analysis and calculations. Impress, a tool for creating presentations. Draw, a graphic editor for vector drawings and diagrams. UFW stands for Uncomplicated Firewall, which is a user-friendly front end for managing firewall rules in Linux. It's designed to make it easier for users to configure a firewall without needing to understand the complexities of IP tables. Now we need to activate UFW. Install fonts. Install commonly used fonts to improve display rendering. Backup system with TimeShift. Install TimeShift to take system snapshots and easily restore your system if needed. TimeShift is a system backup and restore utility for Linux, primarily designed for creating and managing snapshots of the file system. It is particularly popular among users of distributions like Ubuntu and its derivatives. To use this, your disk must be in BTRFS format. If not BTS, you can choose RSYENC. We select our disk, we select when to back up, every day, every week, every month, and so on. If you want, you can also back up your home folder. As soon as we click Create, it will quickly take your entire backup. Install Neofetch and Htop Neofetch. Display system info in the terminal. Htop, monitor system performance. Here you can see RAM usage, CPU usage, and all other tasks. Set up Bluetooth. Install and enable Bluetooth support. Required to use Bluetooth headset, mouse, keyboard. Configure power management for laptops. Install TLP to optimize battery life on laptops. TLP Linux Power Management, is a tool designed to optimize power consumption on Linux laptops and mobile devices. It automates various settings to enhance battery life and reduce power usage without requiring user intervention. Install compression tools. Install tools for handling compressed files like zip and unzip. Fish, Friendly Interactive Shell, is a user-friendly command line shell for Unix-like operating systems. It offers features like syntax highlighting, auto-suggestions, and a more intuitive scripting language compared to traditional shells like Bash. To change your default shell to Fish, you need to use the chsh change shell command. First, ensure the Fish shell is listed in /etc shells. I hope the video was useful to you. Thank you for watching. If you want videos like this to continue, please like and share the video, subscribe to the channel, and do not forget to support me.